Hello, Central Avenue. I just want to talk to you about a few things for this week's lesson that you can find in my Google Classroom. So, first of all, everyone keep up the great work. You're doing awesome things. I love that everyone's staying active. I love reading everyone's comments and their posts on all the activity that they're doing. I think it's great. The bonus question, I guess I could say, the trick question I'm giving out, okay, that's just for you to have a little bit of fun. There's no wrong answer. You know, some of us are giving the right answer, and that's great. But if you give wrong, I'm still going to give you credit for it. You know, it's just to have fun. So keep having fun with that. All right. So for this week's lesson, okay, this is your challenge if you choose to accept it. Mission Impossible. So the challenge is if you could do 100 repetitions of any combination of exercises in a row. Okay, so in a row. I put this up on the Google Classroom, so it shows you an example of some of the exercises like push-ups, jumping jacks, lunges, squats, windmills, mountain climbers, anything that you could think of where you can get repetitions in. So for an example, maybe you do 10 push-ups, you do 50 jumping jacks, you do 20 lunges, 10 squats, windmills, whatever it is, it equals up to 100. Then you would be done. Okay, it shouldn't take you 40 minutes. Okay, so this is just something to do. If you, like I said, if you want to do it, it's just another activity you can do. Shouldn't take you long. But going back to that, make sure we're doing 40 minutes Tuesdays and Thursdays of activity. Okay, some of us are giving examples of only doing 10 minutes. Honestly, you should be doing 60 minutes of activity a day. It's 1 hour. All children should be getting 1 hour of activity in a day, but you only have to log 40 minutes on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So make sure we're getting that up to that time period. And some of us are going way past that. You're giving great examples. I love reading it. Again, you know, some of us are doing a couple hours worth on those days, and I'm sure you're doing a lot of that the rest of the days of the week. So also make sure we are being safe and doing the exercises properly. We talk about in class when we do push-ups, keeping our elbows in towards our rib cage, making sure we have good flat bodies and making sure our bellies don't hit the ground or our backsides aren't in the air. We're bending our elbows all the way, whether we're doing a wall push-up or stage push-up, which we can use stairs if you have them in your house. You can do modified push-ups, making sure we're getting the full range of motion. When we do a squat, make sure we're bending at our knees and our hips, and we're not bending at our waist where we're putting a lot of pressure on the lower back. Things like that we talk about each day, we also want to incorporate when we're doing them at home. All right. So again, trying to get to that 100, you'll see there's another form in a Google Sheet that gives the exercise in one column. It gives the repetitions in another column, and at the bottom it gives the total. So, you know, you put in whatever exercise you want to do, and you record that number of repetitions you did for that exercise. And at the bottom it should equal 100. If you go over 100, that's fine. But again, your challenge is to do 100, right? Let's keep up all the great work, okay? Again, I love reading all the comments that everyone's doing and staying active. Make sure everyone's getting enough rest, okay? Not staying up late and getting up and being tired the rest of the day. Make sure we're eating healthy snacks, okay? Make sure we're staying hydrated, okay? Drinking enough water. Make sure we stay safe. And remember, it's not being stuck at home, okay? It's being safe at home. And then stay positive, all right? Charlie Brown once said, keep looking up. That's the secret of life. So I miss everybody, okay? And I hope to see everybody soon. Remember, we are CAS.